This move is going to show you how to turn on a red LED if a sensor reading goes high, and turn on a green LED if a sensor reading goes low. We're going to start off by creating a couple of names, and these names are going to actually stand for integers, so I put int here for integer, and the first one is red, and that is equal to 13, and the next one is another integer, green, and that is equal to 10. I'll show you what that's doing in a minute. Next we're going to have to make pins 13 and 10 be output pins because they're connected to the two LEDs. So I go pin mode, and I want pin 13 to be an output, so I just go red. And I know that as soon as the word red's in there, the computer knows it's 13 because I just put it up there. Same for this one. Pin mode, as soon as I put green in here, the computer knows that that stands for 10 because I've just defined that at the top of the page. So there's our two pin modes defined, and then we can leave our setup function, which is now finished, and go into our loop function, which starts here, and we're going to go if, and then we're going to read the sensor. Analog read, and the place where the sensor is in port A0. And if that is greater than 500, we're going to do this. We're going to start a new block of code, curly bracket, and we're going to go digital write. So we're greater than 500, so we're going to write red high. So that'll turn on the red LED, and we're going to turn off the green one. Digital write green low. So they're the two things we want to do. So we've finished our block of code, so we put that bracket back in, curly bracket. Okay, now that's what we're going to do if analog read is greater than 500. If it's not, we go else, then we open a new block, curly bracket to start it, and then I'm just going to copy all this stuff and paste it here. But this time, analog read is not greater than 500, so we're going to do the opposite. So instead of setting red high, we'll set red low. And green, instead of being low, will be high. The one last thing I'm going to do is just take this block of code, and I'm going to go edit and increase its indent. So put it across there, take this block of code and edit and increase its indent. So you can now see that if this is true, we'll do this block of code, or else, if it's not true, we'll do that block of code. And then of course, because our program is in a loop, once we get down to the bottom, we go straight back to the top. And the program just goes round and round doing that all day. So whenever you change the reading on the sensor, the LEDs are going to change too.